What's your name?
My name is John.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I am from Canada.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you like to read?
Yes, I like to read.
Can you play the piano?
No, I cannot play the piano.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is painting.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like sports.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What do you do on weekends?
I go hiking.
Do you have a car?
No, I do not have a car.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is summer.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
Do you play video games?
Yes, I play video games.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a cat.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Can you drive?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is soccer.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I have a job.
What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you sing?
No, I cannot sing.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Do you like to shop?
Yes, I like to shop.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is water.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook.
What is your favorite city?
My favorite city is Paris.
Can you speak Spanish?
No, I cannot speak Spanish.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is cake.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like my job.
What is your favorite place?
My favorite place is the beach.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I have a best friend.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
My favorite flavor is chocolate.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
Do you like tea?
Yes, I like tea.
Can you play soccer?
Yes, I can play soccer.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is chess.
Do you like to jog?
Yes, I like to jog.
What is your favorite holiday destination?
My favorite destination is Italy.
Can you play basketball?
Yes, I can play basketball.
Do you like to read comics?
Yes, I like to read comics.
What is your favorite time of day?
My favorite time is morning.
Do you like to bake?
Yes, I like to bake.
Can you speak French?
No, I cannot speak French.
What is your favorite weather?
I like sunny weather.
Do you like to garden?
Yes, I like to garden.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Can you ski?
No, I cannot ski.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I like spicy food.
What is your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is chocolate.
Do you have a bicycle?
Yes, I have a bicycle.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play the guitar.
Do you like to sew?
Yes, I like to sew.
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is lemonade.
Do you have any tattoos?
No, I do not have any tattoos.
Can you play tennis?
Yes, I can play tennis.
Do you like to draw?
Yes, I like to draw.
What is your favorite app?
My favorite app is Instagram.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
Do you like to write stories?
Yes, I like to write stories.
What is your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is chips.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I can play chess.
Do you like to fish?
Yes, I like to fish.
What is your favorite car?
My favorite car is a Tesla.
Can you play the violin?
No, I cannot play the violin.
Do you like to skate?
Yes, I like to skate.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Can you speak German?
No, I cannot speak German.
Do you like to clean?
Yes, I like to clean.
What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is ice cream.
Can you play the drums?
Yes, I can play the drums.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like to swim.
What is your favorite magazine?
My favorite magazine is Time.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Do you like to cycle?
Yes, I like to cycle.
What is your favorite restaurant?
My favorite restaurant is Olive Garden.
Can you play volleyball?
Yes, I can play volleyball.
Do you like to knit?
Yes, I like to knit.
What is your favorite park?
My favorite park is Central Park.
Can you speak Italian?
No, I cannot speak Italian.
Do you like to hike?
Yes, I like to hike.